In this section, we are going to focus on PCA, Professional Cloud Architect Certifications. So what it contains, or if you look at the syllabus, the sections that are there in the syllabus is design and plan cloud solution architecture, which means understand the existing requirements, understand the cloud solutions, and then identify or design the solution for cloud solution architecture. Manage and provision cloud solution infrastructure, and this is, you can think of it is more of the cloud engineer's job, but ultimately as a cloud architect you need to provide enough tool set or understanding in your solution or cover all the aspect of even cloud engineering to the cloud engineers in your solution. Design for security and compliance. Analyze and optimize technical and business process. What does this means is you have the solution which is on-prem or any other hosting provider, and if you are taking your solution or application into Google Cloud Platform or any cloud platform, how you can optimize your technical and business processes, because you may have some constraint and because of which you have designed the solution accordingly. Now you need to think differently, understand the capability, understand the limitations of cloud, and then you probably need to redesign or optimize your technical or business processes. Manage implementation of cloud architecture and ensure solution and its operability or operations reliability. And this is SRE part, right? So once you deploy your solution, you need to make sure that it is meeting your expectations in terms of SLAs or SLOs. And it is satisfying the requirement, or it is satisfying the business needs and the purpose for which you are moving your solution into cloud. This does not only give as a cloud architect, this is not purely a cloud architect's exam, but you need to think about if at all the application is hybrid cloud environment, you are solutioning for hybrid requirement as well, and that is another aspect which you need to give focus towards. So if you look at the syllabus and the understanding which is required for you to pass the exam, I would say we have almost covered 60% of your syllabus already in the foundation. Okay, so if you have completed foundation and you jumped onto this particular section, you are almost 60% covered. What remains is 40%, and that are case studies. So case studies is what we are going to cover in this section completely, having understanding that you have already covered foundation. The case studies are TerraMarth, Mountcur Games, and Race for Win. We had Genkomar case study, but they have removed it from the syllabus right now. And when I kept it for understanding or solutioning, some student raised a question and provided rating accordingly. So I took that out from the syllabus itself. And now we have TerraMarth, Mountcur Games, and Race for Win case studies. So what we have done is we have taken this TerraMarth as a case study, and then we went through these different sections and analyzed TerraMarth requirement. We did the same thing in a different angle altogether for Mountcur Games, so that you have different way of doing or solutioning the case studies. And the third one is the Dress for Win, where we have just identified the cloud resources and then we left it there for you to go ahead and design your own solution. And that is in nutshell what we are going to cover in this particular section. If you still have any questions around it, how we are going to cover, let us know. Otherwise you can move to the next lecture. Thank you.